And we'll dive into the installation process. Here we want to provide a short and basic guide to Amvic installation. It may vary depending on your application, residential versus commercial, based on the spans, based on the site conditions, etc., etc. Once the concrete is poured into the ICF wall and had a chance to gain the appropriate strength, start by installing the wood or metal joists. Metal joists should be facing each other. This is applicable for the Amvic Pro only. When the joists are secure, place one foam block at each end of the joist, then lay the remaining blocks from one end, working towards the center, and then cut the centerpiece. Erect the shoring underneath to make sure that you're going to hold that in place while you pour the concrete. If there's no ICF wall above the Amvic, provide the necessary forming around the perimeter. So there's an end beam being created to make sure that the concrete can't float over the top of that wall. Seal all seams between forms and all edges using spray foam. Install all the piping needed for the floor and floors above. Any sleeving for plumbing, services, and blockouts for mechanical will be installed now as well. Install all the rebar as per the structural design. This step is not applicable to all projects, but if you're going to put in-floor heating in, you've put down your wire mesh. You can zip tie the piping to the wire mesh for your in-floor heating, so that before you pour, obviously that's going to be part of the process. Pour the concrete into the forms. It's very important to use a mechanical vibrator to make sure that the concrete is properly consolidated. Trowel and finish off the concrete surface based on the project needs, whether you're going to use a bull float, or whether you're going to use hand trowels or a power trowel, whatever you're going to end up needing.